In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to Google Analytics. Whether you're working with a team, a client, or just need to share data with someone else, granting access to your Google Analytics account is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Google Analytics account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the Analytics homepage. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options on the side panel. Look for the Admin button, which is typically found at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your account settings, including user access. Clicking on Admin will take you to a new page where you'll see three columns: Account, Property, and View. In the Account column, you'll want to find and select Account Access Management. This section is crucial as it allows you to control who can see the data and what they can do with it. Once you're in the Account Access Management area, look for the blue plus button or simply Add button, which is usually prominently displayed to make adding new users simple and quick. Click on this to proceed to the next step. You'll now see an option to add users. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of the people you want to grant access to. Make sure you have their correct email addresses before proceeding, as this will ensure they receive the invitation to join your analytics account. After entering the email addresses, you'll have the opportunity to set the permissions for each user. You can choose from several options, such as Read and Analyze, which allows them to view reports and data, or Edit, which gives them more comprehensive access to make changes. Select the level of access that best fits their role and your security preferences. Once you've configured the user access settings, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. When you're confident that everything is set up correctly, click the Add button to finalize the process. The people you've added will receive an email invitation to access your Google Analytics account, and once they accept, they'll be able to view or manage the data as you've specified. And there you have it. You've successfully granted someone access to your Google Analytics account. This process not only helps in sharing valuable insights, but also fosters collaboration with your team or partners. Remember to regularly review your user permissions to maintain control over who can access your data. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.